the motel.
Sylvia, is it much farther? Not much. Why didn't you take the interstate?
Said your friend had never been around here, so I just figured he'd like to look around. Don't see nothing on the interstate but interstate.
The middle of the night.
I know, but he's proud of his town. You know, that's a damn rare thing these days. Take care of the luggage, will you, Doobie? Okay, Del. Stick with me. Evening, Gus.
Del Griffith, how the hell are you?
Well, I'm still $1 million shy of being a millionaire. Gus, I want you to meet an old friend of mine. This is Neil Page. Neil Gus Mooney.
Glad to meet you, Nick. Nice to meet you.
Gus, I told my friend here you'd be able to fix him up with a room for tonight.
You have a major credit card?
Do you still honor those discount credit cards for the rooms?
Yeah, well, I'll have to charge you for a double, but with a discount, it'll come out even.
Well, there you go. That's pretty good. We're saving money already. We're a pretty good team. We were on our way to Chicago from New York, and the storm brought us here.
I know all about it. I must have half your flight booked in already. Well, I guess you're all fixed. So, there you are. Last room in the complex.
You mean share? Yeah, hey. Easy on that. Okay. That's all right.
Cab ride,
yeah,
wasn't it?
yeah, it was a great cab ride. You don't see cabs like that too often, you know. You want to take a shower?
No.
No, I meant if you want to go first or not. Oh, you thought I...
No, go ahead.
Oh, I wouldn't...
Go
What do you
ahead.
think I am?
Yeah, no.
God, no. Gee, that's funny. That's funny.